Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where today we're heading up to Silverstone to reveal our all new car. If you cast your minds back to last year, you'll remember a friend of mine, James, racing the Ginetta Cup. Well, he's having a go again this year, but when I saw him out last race, he had a completely plain car. We got to chatting and he said he'd love to have a wrap that looked something like some of our cars. So we picked his car up, sent it along to Identity Wraps, and today we're going to go up there and surprise him with his all new look for 2025. Let's go.
I've got numbers on it. I've already got 99 on the windscreen already.
Yeah, you've got the number on the windscreen. Just, we've got to put the ones on the
Yeah, sick.
That's it.
You've done a little bit on the spoiler as well. Yeah, sick. Yeah, sick. I had a few little bits last, but you covered some of it up. You covered some of it up. That's sick. Yeah, it's really sick. It's good. Little arrows on the toe points. No, good job, good job, nice. Yeah, really good. It's him as S15, right? Colours.
S15, same as the Honda S2000.
That's the best bit. Like that whole just blue.
With the Auto Finesse.
And do you know what? When it's on TV, that's what you see.
Oh, perfect.
Blue roof coming through. No, mate, sick. Nice job.
The only thing is the numbers are going to cover a little bit.
Yeah, I know. It is what it is. Oh yeah. Nice. There you go.
There you go then, successful start to it. James is happy with the design. I really like how it looks. It looks super fast out on track. He's been out for his first session. Unfortunately, we did turn up a little bit late. Actually, it weren't us. The lorry driver got stuck in traffic, so he missed his first practice session. But second practice session, he put in a P1. We're going to leave him to it, let him carry on testing, getting used to the car. This is a new car, it's different from the last season's car that he ran. He's only driven it one weekend before, so they're still getting it dialed into how he likes and to his preferences, but at least he's happy with the wrap. We did have one slight issue. You can see the number stickers had to go over the finesse a little bit. It was a little bit of a problem, but I think it still works.